Yeah. Hello, mic test. Okay. So, narinig niyo ako? I hope everybody is hearing me very well. So, ito, ginagawa ko for myself para may balik ko yung aking practice. Siguro, almost 15 years ago, more than 15 years ago, nag-start off ako mag-study ng alternative medicine. Nagpa-practice ko almost every day ng Qigong at saka Reiki, energy healing. So, na-maintain ko naman yung aking health during those times hanggang sa pandemic. Very active naman ako sa physical activities. So, na-keep up ko yung sarili ko. And gusto kong i-share rin sa inyo kasi nagsuslow down na ako ng konti. Actually, tuturo ako ng karate. Medyo nararamdaman ko na rin nagsuslow down ng konti. So, i-revitalize ko na yung aking energy at the same time at saka gumagawa ako ng healing activities. Part this ang tinatawag na energy healing, Qigong, Reiki at the same time. So, for this session, magbibigay ako ng set ngayon for one session na kung paano mag-start up. So, the first two sessions, nag-emphasize ako kung ano yung concept ng Qigong. Okay? So, makikita nyo sa YouTube, maraming mga videos, Qigong this, Qigong that, tapos yung mga ginagawa nilang mga exercises na mabilis. Mabagal. Meron naman mabagal. Meron naman mabilis. Okay, yung mabagal, more of, yun ang talagang mararamdaman mo nag-cultivate ng energy. Yung, eto, pwede rin mag-cultivate ng energy. Now, there are several types of persons. No? Meron yung edad na, meron naman yung bata pa, energetic. For those who medyo bata pa, energetic, kung gusto nyo mag-warm up, jumping jacks kayo, rotation kayo, mag-swing kayo ng arm, walang problema yon, warm up yun eh. But for those who medyo, katulad ko, may edad na, medyo maputi na yung buhok, medyo yung jumping jacks, medyo masyadong energy, demanding yan. So we can start off with that. Slow, especially those na walang exercise activity for a long time. Kaya kung nag-jogging ka, fine. Nandun ka sa energy level na mataas. Kung nagwawalis ka lang everyday, nagpupunas ka, nandun ka sa medium level or sa, pero kunwari medyo nasa 65 ka na, meron ka nararamdaman, masakit ko ano dyan, tapos mabagal ka maglakad, mabilis ng konti. So, yun, start slow, start small. So, ako, for that, gusto kong i-emphasize para sa mga medyo on the level na elderly, edad na, bandang tinatawag na senior. So, yun ang aking gusto ipakita. Kasi, madali yung jumping jacks, pero for those who are low level muna ng kanilang physical activity, ito ang gagawin, ituturo ko sa inyo. Yung tinatawag na calisthenics limbering exercise. Okay? So, you can start first. Put your feet apart, shoulder wide, relax your body. Okay? Look front, try to release yung mga thoughts nyo. Focus nyo lang sa breathing, sa movement ng inyong mga body parts. So relax. You can close your eyes if you want to close your eyes. You can lower your gaze. Medyo baba ng konti. But don't look down. Medyo eye level lang is the best. Comfortable. Head straight. Body, chest, relax. Don't lean forward. Chest out lang. Relax. Yan. And then, move your head to the side first. Then, una, turn, slow. Hold ng 1 seconds. Other side. I-stretch mo yung neck muscles mo dito. Yan. Stretch. Then, after mga 3 times on one side, look up, down, up, down, up, down. Then, look down a little, turn your head, rotate it to the left, up, then down, and to the front, then reverse. Ganon. Yan, for the neck muscles para ma-loosen up siya. Yan. Yan. Bilisan ko ng konti. Then, shoulder roll. Backward, forward. Regular breathing lang ito. Just to warm up the body. Okay? Shake your hands. Now, para ma-open up yung energy points mo, no, meron silang technique na tinatawag na shaking the feet. So, shake your hands, shake your body. For those na medyo bagong gising, di pa masyado, no? Light lang. Move your body, jiggle your body up and down, shake your hands, shake your knees a little. Yan. Para ma-warm up, lumambot yung mga muscles na. And then, you can also do so, raise one foot, other foot, relax. Yan. Okay? So, pag medyo na-warm up nyo na yung katawan nyo, then, try to swing your hips around. Now, meron silang technique na sinasabi. Put your arms behind ito. You can put your palm facing the back or else palms facing outward, higher up ng konti sa may kidneys ninyo. And then, slowly rotate your hips around several times. Okay? And then, other side. Okay? And then, now, we'll start with cultivating the chi. So, sa Reiki, you warm up your hands. Pabilis na pabilis. Mararamdaman mong heat and friction ng skin mo. Then clap your hands. Wake up the energy point of your hand. Then fingertips. Then open your palm. Feel the heat emanating from your hand. Okay? Feel the heat emanating from your hand. Try to imagine a ball of energy. Pull it. You can try to make it larger. Raramdaman mo yung heat as you compress. Raramdaman mo na wawala yung heat as you expand your hand. Try to make the ball bigger. Try to imagine yours, okay, forming a ball of energy. Yan. Okay. This time, synchronize your breathing already slowly. Inhale, exhale. make sure you when inhale, try to expand the abdomen and stomach mo area mo dito. Exhale, contract the stomach abdominal muscles. Try not or avoid raising your chest. Ito yung adult breathing. Chest out, stomach slightly bigger ng konti. Pero ang bata or baby, they breathe in through the abdomen. Ito nagra-rise and fall sa baby. Dito naman, it will help when you inhale, you imagine your ear going down, passing down, and the energy centering down sa dantian. So when you have created that ball of energy, focus on energy coming from your hands and forming an energy ball in front of you. Yeah. Inhale, expand, exhale. Exhale. Longer ang exhale. Short ang inhale. Inhale. Down here. When you exhale, try to squeeze itong hip part ninyo, yung muscles dito. And imagine the energy passing to the back, then out to the nose or to the mouth. Okay? Preferably through the nose. Kasi you warm the air in, down, squeeze sa may anal part nyo. Exhale, up, and then through the mouth or through the nose. Whichever is applicable. Okay? Better you inhale through the nose para yung kung sakaling cold yung air, nasa invitation room kayo, cold yung medyo madilim pa sa umaga o sa gabi, na-warm up yung air, hindi magdadry yung lungs. That's the reason why we inhale better through the nose. You can exhale through the mouth. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. So you have your ball of energy, and then put your arm or your hands over the dantian, then focus ngayon yung ball of energy dito sa tiyan. So, itong tinatawag na dantian or energy point, as I explained before sa previous 2 sessions, there are 3 energy points. One here, one at the chest, just below the heart or level of the heart, and one in the center of your head. So just a little bit above the eyes, center. It's not here on the forehead, center sa loob. Okay? So those are your energy points na you can focus. Okay? Applying your energy points for certain conditions na later on I will try to explain some more. But for the meantime, the first session is as right now, ang purpose ko is more for energy healing. Okay, focusing your energy to heal your body. Now, sabi ko sa inyo, ang Qigong has 3 kinds of ways to practice. Pwedeng martial arts, project ng energy. Healing, and spiritual. So, spiritual is more of for your personal upliftment, release from external pressure, chaotic environment, uh, to calm the mind, and then find the connection with the universe, and for those who are religious, with the Almighty. Okay? So those are the three ways to practice the art of Qigong, cultivating the energy. You may use it for protection, using your energy to protect yourself from other persons who are self-defense, heal your body, or uh, uplift your mind, spirit. Okay, so na-warm up na natin yung katawan, shaking the tree, okay, and then relaxing the body, doing some simple calisthenics, shoulder, rotate the arms, pwede mong i-lift yung para ma-warm up yung leg muscles ninyo. And then, I will teach you or show you 4 exercises, okay, which they say na can be promoting anti-aging. For those who are interested, okay, how do you do that? Well, ang principle niyan or ang philosophy or belief niyan is to increase your energy, that's one, then promote some areas in the body, like the kidneys. Kasi ang philosophy na traditional Chinese medicine na ang kidneys natin is also the source of the original energy ng tayo mag-start ang life. So, from there, we try to promote energy sa kidneys para ma-prolong mo yung life mo. Okay. Siyempre, sa modern medical art, pag nagkaroon ka ng kidney failure, kailangan mo na ng dialysis. Nasi-shorten ang life natin with regards to kidney failure. Kaya, try to help increase the health of your kidney. So, ito yung 4 exercises na they say na pag tumingin ka sa YouTube will help slow down or maybe combat aging. Hindi naman combat, pero more of cultivate your energy to improve your health. And then, maybe attain a longer, healthier life. Okay? So the first one is what you call wagging the dog's tail or dog wags the tail. So stand apart, can point your feet, okay? Shoulder wide apart, feet, toes pointing slightly diagonal. Yung natural posture ng natin, standing up. Okay? So, shoulder wide, and then relax the whole body, swing your hips from side to side. Okay? Imagine you're wagging, if you have a tail, or you're wagging your tailbone. Yeah. Okay? So, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Put your hands here. Inhale. Exhale. Stay on one side first. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. For the ladies, right hand over the energy point, left hand above. For the men naman, left hand over the energy point, right hand over the, kung gusto mo maging stricto. Or kung hindi ka naman stricto, pwede naman opposite. I'll do this several times. Notice if you count 5 seconds, inhale, 5 to 10 seconds, exhale, there will be 4 breaths a minute. And that will be 4 cycles in 1 minute. And you can do mga 2 to 3 minutes of this exercise. Try to do it slowly. This is to generate the energy in your body, okay? And project, loosen up the body, muscles, and joints, okay? So you're trying to cultivate energy coming from the air and from the stored food sources in your body. So mag-emanate yung energy, focus here, try to relax your body, and try to focus and push down some of the energy to your hands and to your feet. So, hindi kagad makukuha palagi yan. So, you try to palm over palm. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Okay? So, do that for 3 minutes, so mga 12 times, or 4 minutes, 16 times. And then relax. You can do the raising the chi, focusing it down here, go back. Inhale. Gather the ball of energy, raise it up, down, okay. Then put your arms aside, swing your arms slowly. For those who want just exercise, you can do this. Touch the back, kidney part, kidney area. Dito naman, ito, kidney area rin. So, anybody can do it fast if you want to just exercise. Okay? Activating the kidneys to help cultivate energy, activate the kidney. 1. Relax, turn, raise your palm, back of the hand, drop your hands, turn, Drop your hand. Turn. Drop. Turn. Breathing fast. For the slow one, inhale. Pause. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slower, preferably. Okay? You can inhale fast here for 5 seconds, then slower exhale 8 seconds. Or inhale, exhale, then pause for 1, 2 seconds. Inhale, exhale. So that's what you call opening the door. Opening the door to the kidneys. Okay? So yeah, that's one. And then the other exercise na nakita ko na makakatulong sa inyo is raising, pulling down and ito ginagawa na natin. Start here. Pull the ball of your energy, the ball, energy ball. Open your hand to the side. Raise your hand. Inhale. 5 seconds. Then slowly press down. Exhale. Pause. 1, 2 seconds. Exhale. Exhale. Now, some people do it slower. Inhale here. Exhale here. Exhale here. Depende sa inyo. No? There is no fixed, but more of focus on the breathing. Yung muscle movement, importante rin yan. Kasi you have more time to focus your energy. Feel the energy passing through your arms, the hands, and try to bring the energy down to your body. Okay. So you try to project down, let your arm, hands pass in front of your body. Let the energy pass through your body. Okay. Do that several times also. 4 or 5 minutes. mas prefer ko yung inhale, exhale. Isang Kung Fu master na kaibigan ko, maybe some of you know him, is Alex Zamora. Tinuro rin sa amin. Pero siyempre, kasi mas active yung kanyang energy, kaya yung time na nag-cross training kami with Master Alex para sa practical arts ng self-defense. Siyempre, yun ang training. But for us, generating more energy, holding more energy para sa katawan natin for healing, do it slower. Okay? Third, yung tinatawag nating separating heaven and earth. So, you start with the position with your hands up. So, up, down. In between the exercises, you can do this. Here. Stretch, push up, heaven, push down, here. Exhale, inhale. Okay. Letting both hands, both elbows up, or just elbows down. Then turn your hands, palm up for the heaven, palm down for the earth. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Pag nasa taas, ito naman, swing to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Ganon rin. Okay? 12 times, focusing on the inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Ka-third na yan. Okay? Swing, opening the doors of life. Okay? Pulling down heaven. And then separating heaven, earth. Okay? You can open your feet wider at this portion. Just try to remain relaxed. Okay? You can stretch a little. Give emphasis to stretching. Okay? Cultivating energy, learning the exercise, kailangan try to do it every day. Settle a small part of your time to the exercises. The quiet area. Others believe that connecting with nature may grass, meron kang small towel or mat, either barefoot on the mat or on the grass, the earth, connect the energy, and then open air for a good environment. Pag umuulan, well, lang gagawa, stay indoors. Iba naman, connecting with nature, with energy, you do it outside. Either sa may patio, kung gusto mo may roof, pag medyo dark pa, especially, put a small cup or put a small towel here. Pag malamig ang panahon, just to protect yung top of the head. Shoes, cap, scar, para hindi masyadong masukan naman kayo ng cold. Okay? Then last, fourth exercise, which I saw, is open your feet apart. Yeah. Okay? Sa ibang martial arts, this is called the horse stance, like riding a big horse. Okay? In other styles ng karate, the feet are facing straight forward. So, sa ibang styles naman, the toes are pointing outward. So, okay? For those who cannot hold this posture, di kailangan. So, ganito lang. Bend the knees slightly, especially for elderly na hindi sanay sa exercise, di pa strong ang leg muscles. Yeah. So this is what we call swimming dragon. So open your feet apart. Okay. Toes diagonally pointing to the front. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Try to gather the energy ball. Then meet your hand in front. As you shift your weight to one side, push both hands to the other side, same side, as you turn your head to the opposite side. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. And turn your body a little. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Lower your elbows if you feel tired, or try to keep your palms together. Raise the elbows. If it feels tense, then just relax. Okay. Third. Inhale. To the front. Exhale. To the side. May konting tension mararamdaman ka sa neck muscles. Just try to keep it relaxed. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold it. 1-2 seconds. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, shift your weight. Turn your head to the other side. Inhale, look front. Exhale. Takes a little time for you to be able to synchronize the movements. Push the hands to the side, shift, turn, look to the other side. Then turn. You don't have to turn all this way. Basta look, dito yung hands. Inhale, exhale. Okay? Mararamdaman nyo, nagte-tense yung muscles dito. So it makes your leg muscles stronger. Okay? You can open your feet. Instead of starting here with the knees bent, knees slightly bent. Then as you turn to lean to the other side, saka mo i-bend yung knee. Then slowly up, down, up, down. Okay? So, relax your body, mararamdaman nyo na yung muscles nyo will be getting tired a little, part yun ng exercise. So this is more of moving meditation. Spiritual cultivation naman ng energy, most of the time can be standing or sitting in a relaxed spot. For those who cannot stand for long periods of time, hindi mo kaya pang tumindi na matagal, you can cultivate your energy sitting down. But remember, sa chair, keep your back straight. Don't lean forward. Let your back touch. Keep your head straight. Then, pa rin, energy ball, push up. Turn your hands down. Okay. Moving chi up and down. Then you can pass your hands over the knees, the legs. Again. Over. Allowing your energy to pass through your arms, over the head, over the body. Okay. Generating energy and projecting your energy over the body as part of your energy cultivation and continuous maintenance ng katawan. Okay? Check the energy ball. Form the ball. Another exercise is the lion playing the ball. Imagine you're playing with the ball. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Project the energy into a ball as you roll it over with your hands over it. So that's another technique or another exercise that you can do. But the 4 exercises na pinakita ko sa inyo, which is opening the door of life, swinging your arms, touching the kidney areas, that's 1. Okay? Pulling down heaven is to project the energy from on the top of your head down to the foot. That's 2. Okay? Separating heaven and earth. Okay? Expanding, contracting is pushing your energy to the extremities. From the center, separating heaven and earth. And then, swimming dragon. Turn your body. Inhale, exhale. Pause. Inhale, exhale. So you're trying to project the energy on the level of your chest. Letting your hands pass over. And then, relax your neck muscle. Now, there are a lot of Qigong exercises. Okay, napakarami. Okay, more than 100. You can look at it online. If you want to. You can study it. There are sets of exercises to project, stretching the back muscles, and projecting your energy. Most of them are exercises, breathing exercise. Okay, meron. Marami. So, you can study them by yourself or you can join. Okay? Ako naman, I want to create a regular session for those who want to learn, who want to practice, who want to stay in touch. No? And then help themselves cultivate their own energies. And then later on, I'll show you how to project your energies to heal your body. Okay? So we start off with number 1, the principle, body, breathing, and focusing with your mind to project the energy to your energy points like on the hands and over the body. Okay? So cultivating the energy by body movements, synchronized with your breathing, at the same time using your mind to direct the energies through your body and eventually to project them to your parts of the body that needs healing. Okay, so you do this step by step. Try to memorize, master some of the exercises. Okay, When you master them slowly, one by one, memorize ninyo, and then do it every other day, every day, a form of relaxation, releasing tension from your ordinary activities, your daily lives, focusing more on your spirituality, your energy, and for a better and healthy body and mind and spirit cultivation. So if you have any questions, chat with us. We can answer some of your questions either now if you have still time or online. We'll try to keep a chat group for you. But as long as I can, I'll try to maintain some give time for those who want to learn, cultivate, and expand their horizon, maintain their health. June 1 ngayon, ano? Ay, hindi, 31. May 31 tayo. I think June 7, I might not be available from 8 to 9 because I might be attending a medical mission. Saan may medical mission? Sa Occupational Health and Safety Center. Okay? So we're going to give a medical mission for Occupational Health and Safety Center. And usually, ang participation ko doon is I do acupuncture. So, I practice traditional Chinese medicine. 4 branches ng Chinese medicine is ito, energy, cultivation, either Qigong or Tai Chi. And then you have the herbs, you have the tuina, massage, part of yung tinatawag nating acupressure because you can use the acupuncture points, pressing them with your hands, palm, fist, knuckles, tinatawag ng Chinese tuina. May mga ibang forms of massage, kung tinatawag mong Japanese massage, Thai massage, Vietnam massage. Yan. Ang kanya-kanyang specialty yan, kanya-kanyang methods of massaging. So, yung Chinese tuina is more of specific method of using your massage thing. And then lastly, acupuncture. So, the needle. Yun yung tinatawag na invasive na healing art ng Chinese. Sa India, meron din silang acupuncture. I don't know which started first. So, I was not born that time. So, alam ko, India has their healing arts. Chinese have their healing arts. The Western, the Europe, they have their own healing arts. Herbs. Tayo, mga katutubo natin, they have their own herbology. And then yung mga hilot natin, most likely came from the Chinese school, spread out and went to the Philippines and settled here with their art of hilot, acupuncture. Kaya huwag ka magtataka na meron tayong hilot na pinapass around na natutunan ating mga kapwa Pilipino that are relatively almost similar to Chinese medicine, massage techniques. Okay? Meron din mga inborn na mga tao na meron silang inborn abilities to heal. God's gift na yan. And it's their way of being able to helping other people. So some people unknowingly may have inborn abilities, and somehow maybe you can cultivate, enhance abilities nyo, then maybe use them for your family, friends. And if you get to know some persons who can teach you, then that's another story. Okay? So I think it's about time now we can close. If you don't have any questions, still feel free to chat. Okay? Siguro natagdagan pa yung ating mga viewers. So hopefully, I was able to help and guide you. Try to practice by yourself. Okay? Come back and join us for your sessions here on Zoom online. Okay? I'm doing this for myself as well as for those who are interested to learn. Okay? So, nasa sa inyo yan. So let's have a group picture. Open your cameras, please.
Yes, kindly open your camera, please.
So,
Mga bagong gising.
Chinese suit.
Mga halatang, hindi pa nagsiya. Joke.
Getting the feel of the Chinese way.
Show your smiles.
Kasi my mother
May effect ba?
half Chinese, half Filipina naman siya.
May effect po ba ang qigong? Gumanda po ba tayo? Joke. Pang-alis ng stress. Tinatamaan ako sa sinasabi ni Doc John Deliver. Okay na, open the camera. Sir Dino, wala ka ng advice?
High school, nagputok noon yung martial arts, so natuto ako ng
Dino, ako na.
Martial arts, arts, judo,
Ayaw nila
karate,
magbukas.
judo, kung
1,
fu,
2, 3, smile.
tai chi, yung
Merry
mga several
Christmas.
tuturo.
Advance. Merry Christmas.
So, almost 3 years. Nandun ako sa martial arts habang nag-aaral sa high school. Then I had to give up muna for college.
Oh, may
And
nagsasabi.
then,
May nagbubukas. Bukas.
aral ako ng medicine. Then I started to go
Okay.
back and practice for health. Cultivating yung energy and self-defense. Okay? So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a blessed day and keep on practicing. Okay, for your health, peace of energy, and to calm your mind and cultivate the spirit. Thank you very much. God bless.